Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas. One of my most favorite time of the year. I enjoy Christmas very much. I'm very much a Christmas lover. I love everything about it. I love how the weather changes. I love everyone in the Christmas spirit. I just love Christmas. Okay, so Christmas is my favorite time. Let me just say my favorite time of the year. I started my cash stuffing journey, as y'all know, this year, and I wanted to approach Christmas a little differently because remember that we are budgeting. Okay, so the gifts for this year, I turned it down a notch. I didn't spend a lot of money. I literally budgeted all these things. I think I spent like probably $150 on the gifts that I've got. It's not the gift, it's the thought that counts. That's how I look at it. That's how my family look at it. I'm gonna show you guys how I do the Christmas gift shopping on a budget, and we're going to prepare the gifts for all my friends and families, and we're gonna get everything together. I'm gonna pack each person's order and then I'll tell y'all about the thing that I got and how much I paid for it, etc, etc. So Merry Christmas to you guys. I wish you guys all the best for the new year. I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas. I hope you guys eat up all them good food, kiss up the family, hug up your family, show your family some love, show your friends some love. We have lived to see yet another year. So Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I wish everyone have a marvelous, spontaneous day. Merry Christmas. Love to all y'all. Okay, so the first order that I want to do is I want to get the kids out the way. So we're going to do the kids orders. I want to get the kids out the way. So I have my boyfriend's two nieces, I have my girlfriend's two sons, and I have my other girlfriend's son, and I have my other girlfriend's daughter. But for her, my girlfriend did make a list because she had a Christmas list. So she made like a registry on Amazon. So I'm going to purchase her gift there. So her gift's not here. But all the other kids' gifts are here. My stepmom, my friends, my boyfriend's gift not here yet either because I have to order that on Amazon as well. So we're doing everyone else but my girlfriend's daughter and my boyfriend's gift. Another thing, whenever y'all see this setup, it's a little dark with a little pink lighting going on. Just understand that it's nighttime. This is my nighttime setup. So I prefer to record in the daytime with a natural light, but today is Christmas. I'm recording this the night before, and I have a lot of things to do in the morning, and I have a lot more videos to record. So I'm going to just record this video in my night scenes. I hope you guys can see. I hope you guys like the scene, and I just hope that you guys are enjoying this. I have this I bought for one of my boyfriend nieces. So I got her this wool doll. She's 5 years old, and it's like a glitter doll, and they're gonna play a stretchy, sensory, whatever. And I know she's gonna enjoy this because I've seen them playing with slime and stuff like that. So I know it's something that she's going to like. So I got this for her. And her sister, I got this. I think her sister is 8. And this is Crazy Slimy brand. It's like slime. They be loving that slime stuff. So it's a whole bunch of different slimes and stuff to add into it, and the gooiness. You know, the kids be liking that stuff. So I have the smaller one for the little one, and I have a big slimy one for the big one. So these, I want to wrap them. The toys, I feel like I'm going to wrap. Oh, by the way, this I paid $8 for in Target, and this was $6. Okay, so honey, your girl is budgeting for real. I have this wrapping paper that I bought from Home Goods. I love me some Home Goods all day, every day. Oh yeah, and I got this, a box of gift bowls. I got this at TJ Maxx for $5 for a set of 40. on the gift tag. So to Jillian from Auntie Moya. Okay, so this is Jillian's gift. So this is Chanel's gift. This is a tarantula. That's how they call them? Tarantula or tarantula, whatever. My girlfriend's son is so fascinated with animals. He loves animals so much. So every time his birthday comes or Christmas, I get him an animal. And it comes with a remote control. So I know he's about to be terrorizing his little siblings. This was $17.99. So this is Liam's gift. So the next toy is an action mat with a bunch of different cars on it. So this is for my friend's son, and I bought 2 of these for both my friend's son, and these were $6 a piece. So they are wrappable, so we're going to wrap them. So that was me packing all the kid stuff. Now let me show y'all what I got for grown folks, okay? For my girlfriend Shay, I got these. Now this is a makeup remover towel pack of 5. Now I just gave her a little makeup class the other day. I saw this in the store. I was like, what a great gift, because you're just not getting into makeup. This is makeup remover towels, and it's 5 of them. So this is a good idea. $6.99 at TJ Maxx. This is what I do. Me and my family, we always like mark the prices out. I don't know if y'all do that. Now she has been telling me how much she wants to journal, and she's going to buy a journal, and she can't wait to get back into journaling. So I got her this pretty journal, and it matches her little makeup towels. And the journal was $7.99, y'all. So we're gonna put her gift. So let me write a note on it first. Let's put Shay's gift together. Ooh, not the price side. Let's turn it around. A little journal here. And we're going to add one of these to the little bag. This is Shay's gift. So the next gift I want to show y'all is for my mother-in-law. This is my boyfriend's mom, and I got her this cute pink and polka dot sweater. She is an older lady, so you know, I think she'll like this. It's like a sweater. It's like a long sleeve sweater, and it's such good material. This is the brand, and the original price was $68, and I got this for $19.99 in TJ Maxx. I had this one also from TJ Maxx. It's also red as well. This is how it came out, y'all. So pretty. So next up I have my stepmom and my little stepsister, and these are what I got for them. So this is a cute little bed slippers that I found in Primark. Oh my god, so cute. And this was $9. And I found this cute travel pouch. She's always traveling, so I got her a travel pouch. It's like really gold foil and shimmer, and it's 2 pouches as y'all can see. And this was also $9. So we have a bag here. I wonder if it could fit in this thing. Let's see. So let's put the purse first. And then let's put the bed slippers last. Oh, it did fit, y'all. It's like the perfect fit. I'm a gold lover, so, and silver and gold. Their names are Sharona and Shawnee from, if y'all don't know, my real name is Shamoya. Shamoya, but for short then I'll just say Moya. Let's put it on this side. So this is their baggage. Pretty. Alright, so I also got one of the packaging purses for my aunt as well. I got the bed slippers but in black for my grandma. I know she's going to enjoy the bed slippers because she is such a homebody, and so I'm gonna have to get a box for these and get them shipped off to them because they don't live where I live, so I can't get it to them in person. So I'm going to put these in a bag. This is for my grandma, this is for my auntie, and I'm going to ship it to Ocala. So they are in Florida, it's just not South Florida like where I'm at. And then last but not least, I got one of the bed slippers in medium size for my girlfriend, the one with the sons that I just packed the gifts for. So I have this big blue gift bag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wrap gifts in the bag along with the medium size bed slippers. And let me show y'all this cute little outfit that I got from my daughter. I got this for her to take Christmas pictures in. This is like a Christmas sweater, and this is 2 pairs of Christmas tights. So I'm gonna put her in the tights, the sweater. I'm gonna do her hair real cute. And look at this. The 2 tights were $3. For myself, I got me these 2 plush bed slippers. I couldn't leave them. They so plush and cute, y'all. Look at this. This is calling my name. This is fluffy. This says Moya. So I'm sorry. I felt so bad that it wasn't in pink because honey, if it was pink, y'all know I would not even hesitate to buy it. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it, and Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy holidays, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of the year.